Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Savita. Buying an Indian ethnic furniture in the US in an affordable price is not easy. You have to do a lot of researching for it and the options are very less. So today I have come up with a project for it. It's an IKEA furniture hack to transform a HOL storage side table into an ethnic accent furniture to display your beautiful brass collections.
This storage side table can serve multiple purposes. It can be used as a basket to store your throw pillows, kids' fur toys, or as a laundry basket. This table has served its purpose very well in my house and now needs some good makeover. Before going into the project, I would like to explain a bit on what I intend to achieve with this table. Using a jigsaw, I am cutting out some of the checks to create 5 big spaces for the brass bells to hang. Then paint it in dark brown and embellish the other checks using brass thumbtack pins. The cut edges need to be filed to a smooth even finish and clean to remove any dust particles. The next step is painting. Mesh-like surfaces like these are very difficult to paint using a brush, so I will spray paint them instead. I am going to use this Rust-Oleum 2X spray paint in Espresso. It comes with primer and paint, so there is no need to separately purchase or apply a coat of primer. If you are using any other paint, make sure you apply a coat of primer first. Spray painting may seem easier than painting with a brush, but doing it the right will require some practice. Spread a cotton box or a waste rag and lay the table over it. This is to protect the floor from paint. Always work in a well-ventilated place and use a proper paint mask or respirator to cover your mouth and nostrils. This is really important as prolonged exposure to the harmful vapors from spray paints can cause serious health issues. Shake the paint can well before you get started. Hold the can of paint about 8 inches away from the surface to be painted and move the can back and forth slowly. Apply at least 2 coats for uniform coverage. A project such as this needs around 1.5 cans of spray paint. Check whether you have covered all the areas by closely examining all the sides and allow it to dry. Once it has dried, I am going to nail this gold thumbtack pins on each intersection of the checks. I felt dismantling this table would make my job easier. So I am removing the screws to separate all the panels and then start nailing the thumbtacks. I have nailed them on all sides except the back. It does take some time to finish nailing 4 sides. Hooks will need to be screwed in the 5 square cutout areas from which the bells will hang. I need gold color hooks that I don't have right now. Instead, I have decided to use these screws and add these connecting chains and rings between the screws and bells. It's all done now and I'm assembling the panels back into a table and hang the bells. This is a very easy hack to display your brass statues and other items, or just use it as a side table in your living room. You can apply these techniques on any table to get that ethnic look. Hope this gives you some ideas. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your likes, comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching.